Welcome to the Windows Computer and Technology channel, and as we are having a lot of security breaches of all kinds everywhere, one major one that has been affecting TikTok, which is a pretty important one because TikTok is extremely popular, and it has more than 1 billion downloads on the Google Play Store, and it just shows you the importance of the service. A lot of people are there. And it all started with CNN that got kind of hijacked, and then a lot of high-profile websites or TikTok users got also compromised, including Paris Hilton. So TikTok wants to say that they finally fixed the flaw by making an update. But you know what? This shows you how a lot of websites I find are not really keeping our security as the number one thing that should be. And hopefully this could be fixed at some point, for sure. The TikTok is extremely popular as a social media trend, and a lot of the security flaws that were kind of used against high-profile accounts, and this is what makes it difficult because high-profile accounts have a lot of followers, and a bad guy can really mess up a lot of information and just send fake news of all sorts. So TikTok says that it's fixed, and hopefully it will be okay for now. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.